x dy dx minus 3y equals x to the 5. It's not in standard form, so to get it in standard form we need to divide by x all the way through. So here we'll just get dy dx, won't we? And then the minus 3, we can put that x underneath to be there, times the y. And then divide x to the 5 by x, you just get x to the 4. Circle the p now. So the p value is that value there. Now it's in standard form. So now we can start our problem by working out the integrating factor. So capital I, the integrating factor, is e to the integral p dx minus 3 over x dx, which equals e. This integrates to minus 3 lots of ln x, doesn't it? Because just minus 3 comes out the front and it's 1 over x. The minus 3 is in the way to get rid of the e and the log, so put that up there using properties of logs. So it's e to the ln x to the minus 3. Now they cancel each other out because one is the inverse of the other, and it just leaves x to the minus 3, doesn't it? There we go, there's our integrating factor. So multiplying by x to the minus 3 gives, let's see what we get then. So multiply this by x to the minus 3, dy dx, minus, times this by x to the minus 3, so there's the minus 3, there's the y, but it's like dividing by x cubed, there's already an x there, so that'll be x to the 4, equals, and then times by x to the minus 3 times x to the 4, add the powers, 4 take 3 is 1, so we just end up with an x. So circle the u and the v now. They're easy to spot because this is always the position for the u, and this is always the position for the v. And now we can write d by dx of uv, can't we, in the product rule. So here we have d by dx of u times v. X minus 3 times y is equal to x. There's our what we've got then, comes out from the previous line with the product rule. It always does, that's why we're doing this process. So integrating both sides now, nice easy problem. So integrating gives, integral of the derivative is just the object inside, x to the minus 3 times y. The integral of x dx, that's x to the power 1, isn't it? So it's just x squared over 2 plus a k at the end. So what have we got then? So we've got x minus 3 times y equals x squared over 2 plus k, multiplied by x cubed, both sides then. So that's times by x cubed, so that the x to the minus 3 times x cubed goes to x to the 0, which is 1. So we end up with y. Times that by x cubed, we get x to the 5 over 2, don't we? Add the powers, plus kx cubed as well, because you have to times the k by x cubed all the way through every single object in the equation that we've times by x cubed. There we go.